MonoCure 3D, a leader in resin technology for 3D printing, proudly presents ThermaCAST, the resin that bridges the gap between 3D printing and metal casting. Now creators, engineers and hobbyists can produce precision metal parts using standard resin 3D printers. ThermaCAST introduces a modern approach to traditional casting with the ability to 3D print detailed moulds that can withstand direct heat up to 550 degrees Celsius. This innovative resin eliminates the need for complex processes like wax moulds, messy sand casting, or time-consuming investment casting. All you need is a basic desktop resin 3D printer and a small low-cost furnace. ThermaCAST simplifies the casting process, making it accessible for everyone. Its unique thermal properties keep moulds stable under high heat, and it works seamlessly with metals like pewter, zinc alloys and white metals. From bespoke jewellery to functional prototypes, ThermaCAST delivers exceptional results easily and quickly. The features that make ThermaCAST a breakthrough in metal casting are high temperature stability, supporting alloys up to 550 degrees Celsius, compatibility with standard MSLA resin 3D printers, a smooth, simple workflow from 3D printing to casting, versatility for jewellery, custom parts, prototyping and short-run manufacturing. ThermaCAST is proudly Australian developed, made and supported. ThermaCAST represents the future of metal casting. It empowers anyone to create complex, reusable moulds, redefining traditional casting processes. Available now through MonoCure 3D's online store and authorised resellers. Visit our website to learn more and take your 3D printing to the next level with ThermaCAST by MonoCure 3D.